Non sa ka? Lulu.
Saling, come here. No. No.
What have you got there, Daddy?
Margarita, a Hawaiian, 2 iced chocolates, 1 iced coffee, and that is it. On the beautiful sunny day in luscious, stress-free, tropical, great cost of living, diverse water, life by the water.
I love si Daddy sa kanyang Queensland. So, dito na kami, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. We're near the river. Yan. Diyan kami kakain. Diyan namin kakainin namin pizza. Gigisingin na namin yung mga girls kasi medyo mahaba-haba na naman.
Like you're basically living in the most pristine of environments and pristine housing, clean, family friendly.
Hindi na ubusan ng adjective eh. Alright, it's getting hot inside.
But we don't have High Point.
Yeah, we don't have the shopping center.
We don't have the shopping center which Mummy is desperately, measures the city up by its malls. It doesn't matter that God created this landscape with his bare hands. Mama cares about what you can buy. Hermes. Louis Vuitton. Outside the restaurants.
Diba? Yung merong berry. Look, Celine's straight to it. Look, it looks beautiful. Celine! Ay, shush! Huwag nang papatumpik-tumpik pa kay baby Celine, oh. You wanna drink? Mama will help you? Mama help you? Give me the straw.
Nice river.
Ay! Here, see? Boom!
Ice chocolate for you,
Boom!
Mummy, and Celine. And I got a cheese pizza.
Yay! Dito kami sa
While you were
grass.
sleeping.
Wala kaming dalang.
Yeah.
Did you get just cheese too?
Yes, I did.
Take it out. There you go. Yay! Ling Ling!
Did I make good ice chocolates this place?
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, honey, don't tip lang. Don't tip. Wow. Hang on, Daddy will cut it for you. It's a bit hot. You gotta wait, okay? Still want to have a sherry? Okay. Yay!
Quack quack.
Duckies!
They just fly up here. They just fly up here.
Yes. Daddy, she's telling you.
Ducky.
Birds?
No, they're ducky.
What's the sound of the duck?
The duckies have to fly.
They're duck.
Or maybe it's swans. Or maybe baby swans that grow a little bit. Or maybe baby swans that actually fly the first time.
Yeah, maybe. Look.
Or maybe a duck that wants a baby and still a baby and
Lynn, what's the sound of the duck?
first time or something.
What's the sound of the duck? Can you tell it to Paris? Tell it to Paris.
Oh.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Sit down na, anak.
I'm too cold. Can I cuddle me?
Of course, come here.
I'm cold.
Ako, hindi. No, what's that sound?
It's the birds.
Is it the water? a wave. Something. Daddy, did you cut Celine one?
No.
Not that one, not that one.
Daddy, we'll cut it in half. Make it real small.
That one.
Hey,
Celine,
this one's for Paris.
Stop it.
cut it, bub.
Just gonna put it, fold it.
Why it's the dog?
Paris?
Yeah, go get it. Thank you, Daddy. How about Celine's? Yay!
Not this one, I said.
Hold it underneath.
Shush.
Like that. There you go.
How is it, Lang? Yummy? Yummy, yummy, yummy! Ito ang pizza namin, oh.
Daddy's got it already.
You can have it, anak.
Celine, eat.
Uncle.
Love you, Paris.
Yummy! Ang laki naman ng cut nila. Hapon sa kinat pa to ng hinatik pa ba? Kami. Tignan nyo ang ating Paris ay nagpapakalo kasi cold daw siya. Ang ating baby Celine din, tignan nyo. Siya talaga ang kusang umupo with Daddy Mike.
It's ball.
Oh no. You have tissue, Daddy? That's okay. We'll wipe it. I've got wet wipes.
Can I get it?
Wait, Paris. Yeah, hold on that. Underneath. Eat the front. On the front. That's the bit that's gonna drip. The bit that's gonna drip is the front. Eat the front.
Where? Huh?
I'll help you.
Huh?
If you tell it the front bub instead of the back.
This one.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah. Nini. Yummy.
Yeah, Mama.
Whoa, the dog.
Aww. Gentle, nak. Have a look at the ferry. Where's the ferry?
City cat, I mean.
Well done, sweetie.
That's the city cat.
What is it, anak?
The city cat.
Meow?
That's a city cat, yeah.
Meow? What's
I
meow?
love a city cat.
Daddy, careful, Daddy.
You wanna catch a
She's
city cat?
stepping in it. She wants her drink. Here's her drink.
Daddy.
Here's your drink. Yeah.
You have your drink.
No.
Paris, finish pizza.
What is it you want?
Okay, I went up late then.
Mommy.
Nami?
I'm gonna get sick.
Ah, she wants
That's right,
pizza.
leave, go get pizza.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, you girl, stop it.
Here.
Stop it. Get Celine, look. Look.
Baby girl, here's yours. Oh, kay mong ate ga. Labon bitaw. It's not hot, taka. It's not hot. Drama kay ka.
I'm not me.
Mimi.
Hey,
Give it to her now.
Celine.
Give it to her because it's not soft.
Celine. Celine. Wow. Come back.
Hush.
Hots. Mmm.
Rock in the water.
Not yet.
Why?
Wait till you finish pizza and then you can do it.
I'm gonna blow very fast.
Wait.
Nak, let her catch you. Woo! Ate, let her catch you ba? See. Anak, tell Ate Paris to stop. Say stop. Lynn, tell Ate, say stop.
Why, Mommy?
Wait.
Say Ate.
Get Paris. Get her.
Why?
Oh! Can you
Okay.
call Ate?
Tell Paris to eat the pizza now.
Eat your pizza, nak.
I know. Exactly.
Lynn, call Ate Ling. Catch Daddy, Ling. Where's Daddy? Love, love only. Love, love. Say love, love only. You give Ate Paris Caro?
Caro.
Eh? She's pushing Ate Paris. Eh, bugoy talaga itong batang ito. Ling! Ling! Where's Ate Paris? Tabi po. Ano baliti niya? Give Ate Paris sa Caro, a kiss.
Caro?
Wait, she was the one who bumped Paris, and she was the one who's crying.
I got a foot up her ass.
Look lang. Having a moment. Have a look, guys. See, very peaceful here. Ang mga kids, ano nila, no? Hayaan mo na sa dalawa. Oh, diba? Oh, ngayon lang si Mami at Daddy niya nakaupo ng kami lang.
The moon has eclipsed the sun, and Paris still hasn't eaten that slice of pizza.
Ate, eat your pizza na ba?
The longer you take, the longer we take to go to the park.
Come on, ulit.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Ay, 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 ay.
Oi,
Silly girl.
Dad got the soccer ball and the rugby ball.
Wow.
What do you mean? You're going to bring it with us to the park. Well, you don't want to play soccer, no?
Uy, uy. Silly girl, oh. Tilap-tilap. Palawalok na ko. Sitikat na ko.
No, Paris. No.
Sitikat.
What?
While Celine's distracted.
Silly. Noon sa ka.
Celine, come on. No. No. This way.
No.
Yes.
She's waving bye.
No, Mommy.
Did you say bye-bye?
Go away.
Where are you going? Did you say bye-bye already?
Go away.
Si Punun?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Lin Lin. Are you going inside the eggplant? Yeah. Where is Lini? Where is Lini? Peekaboo! We're home na, guys. Kakapasok lang talaga namin. Dinadala pa ni Daddy Mike yung mga napamili namin from the shops. Kasi, tignan nyo, nilagay nila sa mga boxes ng plastic bags. Yung mga, nirecycle na lang yung mga box ng mga prutas. Diyan nilagay yung Okay, I'm gonna open it now for you, okay? So, isa ito sa mga binili namin doon. And Daddy Paris wants to have one now.
Yeah.
So I said she's allowed to have
movie
one.
while I'm eating a marshmallow.
Okay. Have a look how massive it
Let
is.
me choose. Let me choose.
They're the same lang. They're the same.
They're all the same.
Yes.
Hold on. They're not all the same.
Hold it.
Hold on.
No, just pink and that one. So it depends which one would you like. You see? I don't know. This one is the same.
Pink.
Pink?
White.
Okay, then you can have that.
Is it white?
Yes, that's the only color. Sobrang laki, oy. Madilim ba, guys? Napundar mo na mong isa kasuga diri, oh. That's why it's a bit dark.
Where's the limit better than the
Munta sa dari mic
challenges
ng
that you've lost
Fusi,
in the past?
nakalimutan ko ng pabili. Kita naman siguro, guys, no? Kita naman siguro. So, tatlong ganitong box yung napamili namin, guys. So, I'll just run through everything that we bought.
On a pencil.
Yeah, careful na. Don't touch like anak ko. So, dirty lang yun. So, bumili kami ng strawberries. It's cheap there. Bought some apples. Yan, sobrang lalaki ng apples nila doon. Parang may mga hormones.
No, it's fire.
Fire. Got avocados. What's this one here?
Right? So that's done. But I'm saying like,
Lettuce. Sweet potato. Organized later. Got watermelon. Hey! Give her some, honey girl.
but if you wanted to find
Another
depending on your
strawberry. Ito binili ko. So, ayan. Zest or Sky Flakes. Ito. Suka. Anak. I already gave you yours, anak. Sharing, please. Celine. Soy sauce. Sibuyas. Ah, grabe ka ng sibuyas, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Uy! Red onion. Doon kasi, guys, parang butuhan ba? So, sa isang bucket, kailangan bilhin mo lahat. So, katulad dito, oh, saging. Oh, hindi namin kailangan ng lahat ng saging nito kasi baka malata. Pero kailangan mong bilhin. So, cheap lang naman siya. It's good kasi start na ng school sa Ate Paris bukas. So, it means magagamit mo na ito. Lunch. Pang lunch mo. What's going on, Celine? I bought this one. Face wipes. Ayan, for the kids. Sweet corn. Cheese ring. Hala, Sunmig. Super coffee. White coffee. Ayan. Normally, kopi ko yung binibili ko. Wala doon eh. What's going on?
What's my marshmallow?
No, she wants a big nut. Give her like the stick. And she wants hers like yours. Baby. Here lang, be. Mama will there, be. Lynn, come here, be.
No, I got a stick already.
Okay, help her.
I found a stick.
Oh my goodness, don't yellow. Help her, Ate, please.
Can you give that to me?
Hansel! Diba? Toothpaste. I bought some tinola na mamasitas. Dalawa to siya. Ewan ko na saan nakalagay yung isa. Kamili na rin kami ng ganito. Rice na nakaganito. Piatos. O, tingnan nyo. So, si mama nyo, grabe talaga. Brown rice. And then, hala, walagi. Ito yung banana. 5 yata yung binili ko nito eh. Tingnan nyo kasi matagal kami sa labas ba. Nag-ano siya, nag-defrost na siya. Tsaka na ito siya ilagay. She happy now? Yes.
I think.
You happy now, lang? Okay. So, yung lipa coconut juice, ayan. 10 nito yung binili ko, guys. Hindi ko akalain 350. Akala ko 250. 350 pa lang isa. Kaya, ayan. 10, $35. Tapos, we have this bacon. Lucky Me. Beef na beef. Ayan. Love this one with rice. Bili na rin ako ng spaghetti. Dito yung iba, oh. Nalagay natin sa freezer. Gusto ko yan kasi there are days na, especially pag lunch, ganun na ate. That's very loud, ate. They're easy na lang ba? Very handy na.
Before you're forced into making a choice,
see, I have another one of these. Sweet style. Max. Himalayan salt. Andito pala yung isa. Okay. Boy bawang. Tomato ketchup. Cheese. 555 sardines. This one ligo. I don't know. Dalawa yung magkaiba yung brand na kinuha ko. Toothbrush. Ay, meron pa. May 555. And also, this one, guys. Hindi ko alam. Nakalagay coco jam. So, naisipan ko lang ba? Tira-tira ba to? Yan yung niluluto namin ni mama ko ba before. Binibenta ko nung elementary at high school ako. But I think coco jam. Hindi mo siya tira-tira. Uy, no? Murag ko, siya pang spread ba? Oh my God! Kalamay! Kalamay ba? Eh? Nakalagay man ito, parang pinalaman sa bread. Oh, so sweet. Yeah. Wow. Pang ano talaga to siya? Pang spread ba? Very strong. Tapos yung mga Cloud9. Uy! Ayan. Dami. And then, nag-stop kami ng grocery. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Guys ha, ito yung ayan. More para sa pang-lunch at i-step back to school na siya. So, ayun. Yun yung mga napabili namin doon sa nadiskubrihan kong shop. Ngayon, sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's very, yung prices nga doon, kumpara sa yung normal na grocery dito, is cheaper. Yung nakapamahal lang talaga is yung mga binili kong mga Filipino stuff. But, fruit and vegetable wise, cheaper siya. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll just probably go there on a weekend and yeah, buy all the things that we need. And yeah, super happy that I found that place, guys. Oh my God, I have another special favorite place dito sa Brisbane, and there's parking outside as well. So yeah, seems to be all right. And then oh, may binili kami doon sa pinuntahan namin first na market ba. So ito yung kinuha ko, guys. So Twinings, nakita naman to kayo na Twinings Ate Paris at saka si Baby Celine. So this is for Ate Paris, the dress, sunflower dress, and size 4 kasi malaki yung pagka niya, guys ba, sizing niya. And this is for $35. Tapos ito kay Baby Celine, siya, 1C, and this one is for $25. Ayan. So suotin nila to the same time. Napaka-cute. Ayan. And then, pumunta kami ng op shop. Ito lang yung nabili ko. Kay Baby Celine lang. Meron siyang, medyo malaki pa to kay Baby Celine, but she'll get there. Ayan, $2 lang naman siya, guys. Diba, sobrang cute niya. Binili ko na lang din kahit na medyo matagalan pa. And then, got this skirt for Baby Celine. Super cute. So, yun lang. Yung mga nakamili. So now, I'm just gonna put everything away kasi ready na kami for dinner. And Kaya yung mga kids ay yun na nanonood na ng kanilang TV.
A few moments later.
And bedtime na nitong dalawa, guys. Oh, they're brushing their teeth na. They're showing daddy. Come on, brush teeth! Oh. Ayan, nagkakalabas na nila ng shower. Daddy Mike's cooking. Lunches. Smells good. Brush teeth, babe. Show Tita how you brush your teeth. Ay, shush! Your teeth, man. Your teeth ba? Ay, shush. Ay, shush, baby. Mama will brush, babe. Buti na lang ito siya, guys. Surprisingly. She let me. It's clean now? Okay, we'll go to bed, okay?